coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi and welcome. If you are a returning subby, thank you so much for stopping back by. Yeah, the lighting is better. Today is a Monday, the 5th of August 2024. I am about to leave the house. I'm going to Bethel to go see my sister. She asked me to accompany her somewhere, and then I am going to my grand's as well, but like it's just gonna be like a quick in and out because I have work later today. I'm going to work later today, so yeah, it's currently just after 11 and I told myself I'm going to leave the house at 11, so I'm already a few minutes behind schedule. Anyway, I want to make a smoothie because I am about to break my fast at 12, and I thought since I'm gonna be on the go, let me make a smoothie. That's what I'm going to be having as the first meal of the day. So I am out of bananas. I'm only realizing now that I don't have bananas. I just want to quickly go to the fruit and veg market nearby to get bananas and then make my smoothie and then leave the house. So yeah, let's go get bananas and then I'll fill you guys in on why I've been away. I think I'll fill you guys in the car. So yeah, let's go get bananas and get out of here. Hey guys, so my battery died while I was on my way to the veg market, but I'm done making my smoothie. It's a berry smoothie, and these are the ingredients that I used to make it. I'm now opening this cup. It's a coffee cup from Tupperware. I'm going to use this to I'm using this coffee cup to I'm going to use this one to have my smoothie and rinse it. Yeah, and then we are getting out of here for real. Okay, so I still have some smoothie left. I will have this tomorrow morning. I'm just not sure where I'm going to decant it to and place it in the fridge. Yeah, it seems a bit chunky because of the oats, but it's surely gonna be filling. And I added 1.5 bananas just to make it more creamier, and this is how it looks. I love it. I cannot taste it. It's almost 12, so yeah, it's almost time for me to break my fast. Since morning I've been drinking water. This is 1.2 liters. I'm hoping to drink 2 or 3 a day, and then this is gonna be when I break my fast. This is the leftover banana because I used 1.5, and orange. This is what I'm going to be having when I break my fast. And then later on, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a chance to come back to my house, but if I can't, then I'm probably just going to have to grab something on the way and go straight to work. Let me take my work bag just in case I don't make it back.
Utterances consistently at the best moments, man. Do you want to be with anyone else? SMS out to 30753. That's out to 30753.
Whoa, yeah. Siyaphazamisa. Oh, yeah.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. This is going to be the last day of the vlog because we've really been postponing clothing this vlog. I want to show you guys what I got from Kicks and Takealots, as well as a PR shop. From Kicks I got these two. They're on sale for 78 rand. I got plasters. How does it come up like? I got these 3 bath soaps for 39 rand. I got 3 of these. I got 3 of these for 100 rand. I got 3 of these for 100 rand. I got these body lotion from Brimley, and they were 29 rand each. I then got 2 of these, and they were 102 rand. These are the big thingy. They have 450 mils. So yeah, it's a real bargain. And then I got this foundation. I think it's the Essence foundation. Yeah, it's the Essence foundation. I got this in the shade Cool Mahogany. I'm not sure if it's my shade. I really hope it is. I got it for 41 rand. I hope it's focusing. I got it for 41 rand from 200. What a bargain. I then got a face mask which I already used, and then where is it? Maybe. And then I got this lip balm. In fact, let me open this. I got this lip balm. There's this one that I like from Mr. Price, but I haven't really gotten a chance to go to Mr. Price yet. So I'm trying out this one. It's called Lip Love in the flavor Cherry. It's a Clicks brand. How do you open this? This is how it looks. I moisturize my lips because they're so dry. I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah, and then I got a sheet mask. This sheet mask, Garnier Moisture Balm, and I used it this morning. I feel like my skin needed that hydration. Yeah, that's all that I got from Clicks. And then I've pinned you guys on the, also got some flu medication. Flu has me by the neck. I got some cough syrup, this effervescent ACC 200, and these Sinocin tablets, also from Clicks. Yeah, that's it from Clicks. Let me show you guys what I got as a PR drop. I am going to be working with Purity Baby Toiletry. I'm going to be working with Purity. My baby and I are going to be working with Purity for the next week or so. The campaign has already started, but unfortunately I'm unable to shoot yet because my baby is not around, but I'm going to see him this weekend. So yeah, we're going to shoot for this campaign this weekend. It's a Purity campaign. They sent us toiletries. They sent us toiletries to try out. Let's see what is in here. This is the brand brief. This is the brief that's on. These are guidelines of what we need to do between which dates. Working with Purity through Beauty Bulletin. They sent us this special shampoo, baby shampoo. Is it fragranced? Let me see. It doesn't show if it's fragranced, but okay. And then the Aqueous Cream, Purity Aqueous Cream. I got the petroleum jelly as well. I also got the bum cream. Oh, this is cool. I didn't know Purity had a bum cream. I got the everyday bum cream. The cornstarch powder. I've been wanting these, so I'm really glad they gave it to us. The baby soap. It says mild baby soap. And we also got, I'm sad they didn't get us we also got this washcloth. It's branded Purity over here. How cool. But they didn't get us the bath towel. I was so excited for that. And then this is the baby oil. So yeah, these are everything that we got from Purity. I'm so excited. Super excited. I wanted to take a thumbnail. I'll take a proper picture. But yeah, guys, this is what we got from Purity. These are the things that we're going to be working with. Okay, let me now show you the Take Lot orders. Okay, let's see what I got from Take Lot. I don't think it's a lot of items. I got my skincare from Take Lot. So as usual, I got the cleanser or the face wash. Yeah, it's a cleansing gel by Garnier, a vitamin C. And then I got the day cream as well. I couldn't find the serum this time around, so I got this ordinary serum. I got the ordinary serum. It has 10% of niacinamide and 1% zinc. I've never really used niacinamide before. I'm not sure how it is going to react to my skin. I really hope it's going to treat me well. I've been using the vitamin C as well as hyaluronic acid on my skin, and I feel like my skin is in its best behavior, so I'm not sure what's going to happen now that I'm going to start using niacinamide. And then I got this Nivea Q10 anti-aging hand cream. I got this from Take Lot. I also got this Good Stuff hand cream. I'm going to put one in my work bag and one in my car. And then I got this Essence lip gloss. I think it's in a watermelon flavor. Here it is. It's a juicy balm shiny lip gloss. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this. I'm so over shiny lips. I want my lips to be hydrated, not shiny. I got Domesters. I got more Comfort fabric softener, and I got the refill pack of Hindi. Yeah, that's all that I got from Take Lot. See, it wasn't a lot of stuff. That is all I got from Take Lot. Yeah guys, as I have said, this is going to be the last day of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's been a while since I posted, I know, but the reason for that is because I've really just been having a tough day by the employment. We've been on shutdown since end of June. Yeah, end of June. It's currently the 27th of September of August today, and we're still on shut until mid to the end of September. So yeah, I'm still gonna be a bit scarce. I have flu. I am going to work as well. So yeah, I really hope you guys can bear with me. I will definitely be back with another vlog as soon as I'm done with the shot, or any chance that I get to pick up the camera, I'll definitely do so. Currently in Diagua, guys, like there's literally no time for content. I am doing night shift only, so during the day I'm sleeping and then I have to go wake up and get ready for work, so there's really no time to be picking up the camera and vlogging. But I definitely will be back with another vlog as soon as the shot is over. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you watched until this far, I really do appreciate it. Please give me a like or a heart. Please leave a heart on the comment section to see, so that I can see that you watched until this far. Yeah, I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. Bye guys.